Do you like Bluey and Pumpkin? Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Bluey in a pumpkin costume. So let's start drawing. First, draw an oval shape for the eye. Then draw a smaller one inside, then color. Draw a horizontal line coming out from the right side of the eye. Then draw a triangular shape under it for the nose. Color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a curved line coming down from the nose, then going to the left and slightly up. Draw a small curve at the end, then make another curved line under it, connecting to the bottom of the nose part. Draw an oval shape partially hidden behind the nose part, and a half oval shape over the nose, then color to finish the second eye. Draw a thick eyebrow over each eye that looks like a pin. Draw a wavy line coming out from the left side of the right eyebrow, going diagonally to the left. Then draw a curved line coming up from the left side, and another curved line coming up from the right eyebrow, leaving a small space in the middle. Connect both lines with a small half circle in the middle. Then draw the stalk of the pumpkin by drawing two curved lines connected at the top. Draw a small curve coming out from the right brow, then going down with a straight vertical line. Draw a similar vertical line on the other side coming down from the pumpkin. To make the sides of the body, connect these two lines with a curve at the bottom. Draw a zigzag line along this curve for the color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a curve coming down from the left side, then a similar curve from the other side, and connect them together at the bottom with a half circle. Draw two diagonal lines coming out from the left side of the pumpkin, going slightly upward. Then finish the arm by drawing a hand with 4 fingers, and a small curve inside the palm. Draw 2 lines in the middle of the arm. One of them is for the sleeve. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other arm. Draw 2 vertical lines coming down from the bottom of the pumpkin. Then finish the leg by drawing the paw at the bottom. Make 2 curves inside the paw for the toe. Make a line in the middle of the leg for the hem of the pants. Repeat the same steps to make the other leg. Draw a few curves connected to each other, coming out from the left side of the pumpkin to make the tail. Draw an upside down letter V above the right eyebrow. Then draw a smaller upside down letter V inside. Draw a smaller upside down letter V above the pumpkin stalk to make the other ear that's partially hidden behind it. Draw a couple of curved lines around each eye. Then draw 2 wavy lines coming down from the left eye and connecting to the bottom of the mouth. Amazing pumpkin! Now you can draw Bluey wearing a pumpkin costume. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.